Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. First of all, go ahead and click on the Reddit app on your phone. When the app is opened, go ahead and click on your profile at the top right corner. Here, go ahead and click on Settings at the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Delete Account. Here, it will ask for confirmation, and it says that once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit. If you still want to permanently delete your account, go ahead and click on Yes Delete. Here, you will have to enter your username and your password. Go ahead and do just that and click on Continue. It will ask for a reason that you're leaving, but you can ignore this and just hit Continue. The final step will ask again so that you are absolutely sure. Go ahead and click on Delete, and that's it. Your account is now permanently deleted. I hope this video was helpful. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment and I will get back to you.